If Telegram just won't let you send messages, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this updated 2024 guide, I'll walk you through the most reliable ways to fix the cannot send messages error in Telegram, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to get your messages flowing again, but you'll also understand what causes these problems, so you can avoid them in the future. Let's jump straight in and start getting Telegram back on track. First up, basic checks and quick fixes. These might sound simple, but you'd be surprised how often the smallest hiccup is the culprit. Let's start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're actually connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data. A quick trick here is to toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off again. That little reset forces your device to reconnect to all networks and can eliminate any temporary connection bugs. It's kind of like turning the faucet off and on again if the water's running slow. Next, fully restart the Telegram app itself. If you're on desktop, don't just close the window. Make sure to quit the app completely by right-clicking the Telegram icon in your tray and selecting Quit. Then open it up fresh. Apps can get stuck in the background or have a process hanging, and a full restart is often all it takes to jolt it back into gear. If that didn't help, try restarting your computer. It might feel old school, but a complete reboot will close any background processes or memory issues that might be interfering with Telegram. Sometimes, a small update or a resource conflict needs a full system refresh to be resolved. Give it a minute to shut down, then power back on and see if Telegram starts working properly. Now, double-check that you're running the latest version of Telegram desktop. Developers constantly release updates with bug fixes and security improvements, so being a version behind can sometimes cause weird issues like this. Just head to Telegram settings or visit their site to make sure you're up to date. Still can't send messages? Here's a clever workaround. Try logging into Telegram Web at webtelegram.org. If you can send messages from your browser but not the desktop app, then you know the problem is with the app itself, not your account or Telegram servers. If you've gone through all the basics and it's still not working, let's dig a little bit deeper. Open Telegram, go into Settings, then navigate to Data and Storage, tap on Storage Usage and clear the cache. Over time, Telegram downloads a lot of images, stickers, and even old messages that can clutter up its cache. Clearing it out is like cleaning out your closet. It helps the app run smoother and can fix a bunch of common bugs. While you're at it, check if Telegram is down for everyone else. Head over to a site like Down Detector and search for Telegram. If there's a spike in reports, then the issue probably isn't on your end. This can save you time, so you know you just need to wait until Telegram is back online. Another thing to consider is account restrictions. If you've sent a lot of messages really quickly or posted in groups you don't usually chat in, Telegram might temporarily restrict your account from sending more. Visit Telegram's FAQ or support to check if there's a notice on your account. Restrictions usually lift after a set amount of time, so patience might be all you need. If you're using Telegram in a place with strict network rules or censorship, your connection could be blocked. In that case, try using a VPN or proxy to connect. This reroutes your internet traffic and can help you access Telegram if your network or country blocks it. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app. It's a bit of a hassle, but sometimes files can get corrupted, and a fresh install is the cleanest way to start over. And that's it. Hopefully, by working through these steps at your own pace, you've got Telegram messaging running again. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if something else worked for you. I love hearing your tips and helping out where I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.